Welcome back everyone to Campground Reviews, and today we're going over Tickfaw State Park. Tickfaw State Park is located in Springfield, Louisiana, only about 8 miles south of I-12, which is about a 15-minute drive. The campground has 30 premium sites, which are full hookup, and 20 unimproved sites, which are water hookup only. They also offer 7 glamping tents and 14 cabins, which 2 of them are ADA compliant. Tickfaw also hosts a group camp, which can sleep up to 52 people. If your school, business, or group wants to spend the night at Tickfaw, the group camp is a perfect solution.
There are also bathhouses located throughout the camping area in multiple locations, including washers and dryers to take care of your dirty laundry while you're on your trip or before you leave to go home.
Tickfaw is kid-friendly. It offers a playground and a splash pad for a variety of ages.
They also have 2 pavilions for rent, as well as walking trails, which one of them is ADA compliant. The state park also hosts a nature center with a variety of taxidermy of local animals, as well as an 800-gallon fish tank holding species that are found in the Tickfaw River. The premium campsites at Tickfaw cost $33 a night, and the unimproved campsites are only $18 a night. If you're looking to stay at a cabin, it's only $175 per night with a minimum of 2 nights. And if you're looking to stay at the group camp, it's only $400 per night with a 2-night minimum.
Tickfaw also offers kayak rentals to explore the swampy areas in and around the park.
During our stay at Tickfaw, we had site CI007. This site offered a deck which is included in most premium sites. All premium sites are 30 and 50 amp hookups.
While exploring the park, the natural wildlife was abundant.
We probably saw at least, 50 rabbits? And if you're a bird watcher, this is the place to be.
My favorite part and what I always look forward to is the merchandise.
Tickfaw has it all. Stickers, magnets, shirts, pins, you name it, they got it. And while we were exploring the park, we noticed some historical sites, like a cypress tree that was centuries old. Some of the things we didn't really care for but can't really control was the high water of the Tickfaw River. The water had rose so high that it started to encroach upon the trails while we were trying to explore. But that's just something that we would have to deal with due to the time of year that we visited.
What I didn't care for was the entrance to the park.
The only way into Tickfaw State Park is having to go through the neighborhood, not to mention the narrow streets. All in all, we had a great time visiting Tickfaw State Park.
We will definitely visit again.
That wraps it up for another Campground Reviews at Tickfaw State Park. If you like our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. The more subscribers, the more views, and the more likes means the more content we can bring to you. Thanks, have a good one, see you soon.
Bye.